Hey guys, it's Chad with Beverage Professor, the channel designed to teach you about all things alcohol. Hey, have you ever seen a recipe and it called for simple syrup and wondered what the hell's simple syrup? I don't know what simple syrup is. Or decided, well, I better go to the store and buy some simple syrup, and you buy a little bottle, a 12-ounce bottle for $5 of simple syrup. Well, I'm going to show you how to make simple syrup at home. And you probably already have the ingredients in your kitchen because it's very simple. It's just sugar and water. So let's go to the kitchen and make some. Alright, to make simple syrup, it's basically just 1 part sugar, 1 part water. So I'm taking 1 cup of sugar, putting it into a saucepan with 1 cup of water. Pour it in the saucepan, and then we're just going to put this on high heat, medium high heat, and let it start to boil and simmer. And as it starts to boil and simmer, we're going to stir it occasionally, just every once in a while, until the sugar dissolves completely. And then we will turn off the heat and let it cool down. Alright, it's starting to simmer and boil just a little bit, so we're going to keep stirring. There's still, as you can see, still some sugar left, so it hasn't quite totally dissolved yet. I'm just going to keep stirring just slightly. Alright, it looks like the sugar has pretty much dissolved all in there now. It doesn't take too long, it's a pretty quick process. And now I'm just going to turn the heat down and we'll set it aside and let it cool down. Alright guys, well, once your simple syrup has cooled down, you can put it in a glass container and store it in the refrigerator. I actually just used this old Villa One tequila bottle, cleaned it out real good, and now it is my container for simple syrup. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, tell your friends, and also leave comments below and let me know what you think. And also, if there's anything you would like me to do a video on, please feel free to put it in the comments section, because I'm sure if you have questions, other people are going to have questions as well, and I would love to make a video for you guys to help educate you and teach you about all things alcohol, and in this case, all things even non-alcohol. So, thanks guys, I appreciate you.